Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to solve and or simplify a exponential equation like 2 to the power 33 equals to 2 to the power 22 plus 2 to the power 11 by 2 to the power 33 minus 1. So let's start to find out the solution. Okay, so we can write 2 to the power 33, that means 2 to the power 22 plus 11, and 2 to the power 22 is equal to 2 to the power 11 plus 11, and 2 to the power 11 as 11, and here 2 to the power 11 into 3 minus 1. As we know, a to the power mn is equal to a to the power m to the power n. So we will apply this here. Okay, so here we can write that 2 to the power 22 2 to the power 11 plus 2 to the power 11 dot 11 plus 2 to the power 11 by 2 to the power 11 to the power 3 minus 1, as we have applied a to the power mn is equal to a to the power m to the power n. Now we take common 2 to the power 11 and the rest part will be 2 to the power 22 plus 2 to the power 11 plus 1 by, now we know the formula a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So we are going to apply the same here, that is 2 to the power 11 to the power cube minus 1. So if we apply this, so we get 2 to the power 11 2 to the power 22 plus 2 to the power 11 plus 1 by, sorry, we forgot to write here 2 to the power 11 to the power cube minus 1, sorry for that. Okay, so now we are applying this formula here. We can write 2 to the power 11 minus 1 into 2 to the power 11 square plus 2 to the power 11 into 1 plus 1 square. So we can write the expression 2 to the power 11 2 to the power 12 plus 2 to the power 11 plus 1 by 2 to the power 11 minus 1, and that will be 2 to the power 11 into 2 plus 2 to the power 11 into 1 plus 1. Now we are going to more simplify this. 2 to the power 11 2 to the power 22 plus 2 to the power 11 plus 1. So the above part will be remain same for fifth step. So now we can write 2 to the power 11 minus 1, and that will be 2 to the power 22 plus 2 to the power 11 plus 1. So we are getting the same part here, that 2 to the power 22 plus 2 to the power 11 plus 1, and here the same. So this part will be cancelled out. So we get the value is 2 to the power 11 by 2 to the power 11 minus 1. So now we can write 2 to the power 11 as 2 to the power 10 plus 1. So we can write 2 to the power 10 dot 2 to the power 1. Now we know the value of 2 to the power 10 is equal to 1024 1024 dot 2. So if we multiply this, we will get this one. Hence the value will be 2024 by 2024 minus 1, that is 20248 by 2047. Hence the expression of this one, the value will be this one 1048 plus we can express this, that 2047 plus 1 by 2047. If we write that 2047 by 2047 plus 1 by 2047, now we can write that 1 plus 1 by 2047. So we can express like this one also. So we have the values of the expression is 1 plus 1 by 2047. I hope you understand the explanation and the solution. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Take care.